Hey, I wanted to give my review. I just had my PRK surgery in Mexico. PRK is similar to LASIK. Basically, the difference is that on LASIK they do a flap of your eye. They open it up, they shoot in the laser, and they close. And it's less painful because they're using the same part of your eye. And in PRK, what they do is they remove the first layer of your eye completely. They put some drops, and it like uh, I don't know what it does, but basically they do those eye drops, and then they put a sponge, and it just removes like gelatin. And then what they do is they just put in the laser, and then until your the part of the skin, that epithelium, I think, regenerates, they put a contact lens so that I guess it won't get infected, or maybe helps with the growth. I'm not exactly sure on the purpose of the contact lens, which they remove after 1 week. Well, anyways, the peso, it's pretty cheap compared to the dollar. I used my Capital One card, which gave me a rate of 15 pesos per dollar. They billed me 12,000 pesos, which I already checked my bill in the US dollars, and it was $796. And on top of that, I do get $100 bonus sign up, and I plan on selling my old glasses, which they're basically brand new. So I'm sure I'll recover at least $200. Anyways, I estimate that I'm probably gonna end up paying like $400 total after I sell that, and the bonus. Oh, and I do get 1.5 cash back, so that's like $7, which is something. Uh, the only difference basically from the U.S. and in Mexico is that in the U.S. they make you put a gown, which makes sense. In Mexico, they only make you put on the the head part cover so that hair doesn't interfere, and those shoes cover so that sand or dirt doesn't fall off that could contaminate the room. And most of the difference, they're pretty tiny. There's more satisfaction in the US because they give you leather couches, they give you sodas. And as far as the technology, I'm pretty sure it's the same. The procedure is pretty basic. The doctor that I used uh, was from, she went to Hopkins University, so that's a pretty good school, and had internships in like top hospitals. So that didn't worry me at all. Besides, I had a friend who just had surgery with her. Uh, just for reference, her name is Dr. Ilse, and I don't have any doubts regarding her experience, because I know there's many reviews that tell you not to use any Groupon coupons, uh, or to not cheap out on the procedure, because like I said, I paid $796 for both eyes. Even in Canada, which is cheaper, the rates are around 15 or 1600, and in the US they are about 3000 and up. um, well, anyways, I so far I've been doing great. My pain stopped around maybe 15 hours after the surgery, which is rare, but my prescription was negative 1.25 and 1.0 for astigmatism. So it's not that bad for me. I know that especially PKR is really painful, but if your prescription is not that high, that makes a huge difference. And besides, it's been raining often here in Texas, so of course that makes the weather humid, which does help with your eyes, with the recovery and all of that. So that's my experience. I will make another video regarding the procedure so that you can tell the difference, the difference, so that you know that it is a little uncomfortable in Mexico, but it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, stay tuned for the second video.